Meaning of demonization.
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 Demonization. Demonization is the process of portraying someone or something as evil, dangerous, or worthy of hate. This can be done through exaggeration, misrepresentation, or manipulation of information. The result of demonization can be harmful and divisive, as it can lead to prejudice, discrimination, and violence towards the demonized individual or group. It can also create a climate of fear and mistrust, hindering dialogue and cooperation. Therefore, it is important to recognize and challenge demonization when it occurs and strive for fair and accurate representation.